This is ETprepper. Well, it snowed here in Tennessee last night, and guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have a little fun. I'm gonna make some snow cream. Yep, with the white fluffy stuff. Here, watch. We're gonna use 4 cups of snow in this recipe. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and yes, I measure it precisely, as you can see. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. What I'm using is whole milk. There we go. And then we whisk it all together. And then what I'm going to do is when I go outside to collect the snow, I will throw this in the freezer and let it cool off a little bit before we mix it with the snow. So there it is. All right, so now we're going to collect our snow. The old saying goes, look out where those huskies go, don't eat that yellow snow. So we're going to get 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop. There we go. We got our 4 cups. Let's go make some snow cream. I noticed a bunch of sugar in the bottom here, so I didn't mix it up good enough. Now it's cooled off though. It's cooled off some. So here we go. Let's make our snow cream. There we go. Well, this is looking good. So, let's try it. I just licked the spoon. Fantastic. This is good. This is good. You guys, you got to try this. Real simple. Took me like 5 minutes to do. Give it a try. It is excellent. Well, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and like this and share it. It needs to get out to people because this is important. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.